Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the rear door on this 1998 Ford F-150. This has just the one rear door back here on the passenger side, and I was having the problem where when this was shut, the top would open but the bottom would not. And so you would open this and tug on it and the top would be moving but the bottom would be stuck. So I crawled back in here and first took off this panel, the top panel. Just stick a screwdriver in here and it's just held on by these clips that pop in here. So you pop that top panel off. You also need to take the screws out of here for the top panel, and then you can pop that panel right off. Then you've got the bottom panel, and that's held on by two Phillips screws and a little pop clip like that you push that in, and then you can pull this out. And then last is held on by a nut on a stud right here. It's 10 millimeter. Take that out, and then you can lift this panel right up and take it out. So then you're in here and you've got your plastic covers. So I tore the bottom off. You can't see anything there. You don't need to do that. What you need to do is open this panel, and then you can see when you operate the handle here, you are pulling a couple of different levers. So you want to make sure those levers, this one here, is moving like it should. And you can see that they're threaded, and so is this one. That one's pulling a cable. Well, the cable is what goes down to the bottom. And what I noticed with mine is that this was unscrewed all the way down, almost all the way out. And so what I did is I just went in here and I just turned it and screwed it back in. Voila, it pulls the release and pops the door right open. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and thank you for watching.